Hey, good morning, y'all. I just want to drop in and make a super quick video about unmolding my keychains. I've recently got into the epoxy game, and I want to show you guys some things. Depending on if there's any interest, I might actually make a video on how I make these and then show the whole keychain process. So if you're interested in seeing the results of my unmolding, stay tuned for the video. Alright, so before we bust these bad boys out their silicone home, just a quick update on how they ended up there. First thing I did was I mixed the epoxy. I'll put the box in the video, but two parts, one part this, one part that together. For the color, I used this mica powder collection I got off of Amazon. It has 15 different shades, the pretty ones. I did an unboxing of this a few videos back, and I also just used various glitters I got from like Hobby Lobby, you know, a couple of dollars. I got a couple of these from the Dollar Tree that came in packs of 5, so that's where I get the variation in the colors. So mix those all together, poured them in my silicone mold I got off of Amazon, of course, and let it sit overnight. And now for the fun part. Let's go ahead and pop these suckers out. Start here. This is the eye. Got some little extra danglies. More I over poured it. I would just shave those down with sandpaper and then buff them and polish it real good. Probably put somebody's Irene, a name right here on vinyl in the front, and then put the keychain on top. Let's see what else we got here. Then they come out really easy. I got an F. I tried to do like a little bubblegum effect with this one. It's a little sharp on the back. Again, sandpaper. Take that right off. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, and you know, after 24 hours, it's kept walking apart. Got my glittery B. Again, I'd probably put a name right here. Brittany, Bianca, whatever the case may be down this side. Show you just how easy it is to like just pop them out. Look, here comes a P. Solid pink, P, pink. Again, a name in vinyl. I wouldn't do anything extra to this as far as any additional epoxy. Maybe spray on some triple thick. Just give a little extra hint of gloss and seal that vinyl. But you don't have to seal 651, so let's see. I'll show you how I just pop this out. Got my K. Oh, that K, look at that, that's fire. And again, the name, keychain topper. And if you want to see that video, I can definitely post one of those too. J. So I tried to do multiple glitters with this one. It's got like a red up here and then a gold on the bottom. Alright, and I think the best thing about this mold, it has, you know, the ABCs. Of course, they're backwards, so when you take them out, they can then be front facing. It also has letters. No, numbers on the bottom. I did a 2 and a 4. Check those colors. If you don't know, now you know. Pop this 2 out. Look at that. Be a keychain, and then the 4. Look at that. Again, it has the 2 tones, the gold and the purple. I think it's pretty cool. And again, keychains. I'm going to look into fusing these together, so it's like I'll probably use a hot glue or some resin, but I'll figure it out. Yeah, that was it. You know, my different letters, different effects, glitter, swirl, 2-tone, solid letters. I also did a solid T that was glittery. Yeah, those are the different things I use. That was kind of sort of the process. Again, if you're interested in doing like a start to finish, how I mix the epoxy with the colors into the mold, the 24-hour wait process, which will probably be like and then the final product of adding the keychain topper, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you soon for something else.